Hi guys, look what I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cubes, and from these cubes we should be able to make different animals. Let's have a look what we can make. Look, wow! But today we're gonna make a duck and a cow. Remember, for the duck we need to look for the red font, for the green and blue colors, and for the cow we need to look for blue font and for the orange colors. Remember, the red background and the green with the blue. Let's start with this piece. Look, the red background. Let's put it there. Oh, look, the red as well. Let's put it there. Oh, where is the red? Look. That's one. No. Let's see another. Oh, look, the red as well. Okay, well done. You're doing amazing. Now, let's look. Oh, an eye. Look. Yes, it's definitely should be a duck. Then, let's look for a red. Look, red, green, and blue, like I said. There we go. Now, look, another red, green, and blue. Watch out. Now, this one. Look, another red, green, and blue. And the last one. Look, red. Yay, we found all the red colors. Now, let's complete a duck. Let's start with the duck's head, because I think it definitely should be head because it has an eye. Let's find the second pair, where the head can continue. This one? No. Remember, it's level 3, it's going to be hard. Maybe it's this one? No. Oh, look, I see something. Yes! Well done. The head is nearly complete. Now we need to find the third piece in this row. And I think it will be this one. I told you it will be hard because look, it has some water dots. See? And this one, this piece, goes perfectly with this one. And we have 3 cubes in a row. Now let's find the second row. There should be the body of the duck. Maybe it's going to be here. No. Maybe it's here. No. Maybe it's this one. Yes, because look, the dot, the water dot is completed now. See? Told you it's going to be hard. Now we need to find the second cube in the second row. And I think it will be this one. No. Maybe it's this one. No. Maybe it's this one. No. Like this. No. Maybe it's this one. Yes. Look. We nearly completed the body. We need to find the last piece of the second row. I think it's this one. No. No. Maybe it's this one then. No. No. Oh, look.
the orange nose goes together. Look, it's completed now. Yay, we found the body. Now we need to find the bottom, the last 3 pieces. I think this one will go here. No. Maybe like this? Yes! Look! But no, I don't think so. Doesn't look like, because we don't have the blue wing. No, it's not this one. Maybe it's this one then. Yes, look, the tail and the blue wing. Now let's find the second one of the 3rd row. Maybe it's this one. No. That. No, because we don't have the blue wing here. We need the blue wing. Yes! Well done! Look! We nearly completed. The last one will go here. Look! Yay! We completed a dog! Well done! Now, let's make a cow. Look, the cow has a blue background and the cow is an orange color. Let's look for the blue background and for an orange color. Now, the blue background and the orange color. Look, blue and orange. Yay! Now, look, the blue and orange. Let's find here. Look, another blue background and an orange color. Now let's look. Wait! Now let's look for this one. Oh, look, another one. Yes. Then we should look here. Oh, look, there we go. Now let's look this on this cube. What would you think? Oh, look. Well done. Now in this cube. Look, there you go. The blue background. Let's find another piece. We will see. Look, the blue background. And the last cube. Look. Yes, we see some legs. Well done. We found the blue background and the orange cow. Now let's complete the puzzle. Again, let's start with the head. And I think this will be the first one. Yes. Now we need to find the second pair of the head. Maybe it's this one. No. No. Maybe then it's this one. No. Maybe it's this one. No. Yes! Look, we completed. And now let's find the last piece of the first row. Maybe it's this one. No. Oh, it's this one, look. Yes. Perfectly. Now let's make the second row. This one. No. Then maybe it's this one. No. Oh, it should be this one. Look. Yes. Fits perfectly. Now let's find the second piece. This one. No. No. Then maybe this one. No. Oh no, I need your help. Where is the second piece? Oh, it's this one. Yay! Well done! Now let's find the third one, the last one of this row. Maybe it will be this one. No. Maybe it's this one then. No. Oh, it definitely should be this one with a tail. Look. Yes. Fits perfectly. Now let's complete the last row. Maybe this one. No. Maybe this one. Yay! Look, the one leg is complete. Now we had 2 pieces left. Where they should go? Maybe here? No, doesn't look like. Maybe this one then. Oh, yes! And the last one goes there. Well done! Look at this cow. On the blue background with an orange color, it has tail, 2 eyes, 2 ears. Yay! Well done! And you know what, guys? What cow gives you? It gives you milk. The cows are really friendly. Thank you, kids. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.